right, second grade friends. So we're going to move on to day 2. Um, so it, your task today is to complete the graphic organizer about the 2 stories, okay? And it is in your packet. I'm just looking because, all right, so yes, good. So it does ask you to reread the stories. So I encourage you to go back and reread the stories of Grace for President and If I Were the President. If you do not want to refer back to the story to read, me read it to you, you can in your packet on one of the first, maybe it's page 4, right before your organizer, you can, here's 2 QR codes. Take the phone and use the camera on your phone or smart or tablet and scan these, and it will read the story to you, okay? If not, have a family member read it to you or listen to the read aloud that I did with you, all right? So you're going to be completing the graphic organizer, comparing and contrasting the 2 stories, okay? So what it's going to ask you to do, let me show you on your screen here. So here's your organizer. Remember, when you're comparing and contrasting, you're saying how they are different and how they are the same. So think about the class president, Grace, okay, and the United States president, all right? How are they alike in the middle, and how are they different in the outside, okay? So using what you know about the president and Grace as class president of her school, think about things that they do that are different, okay? So what does Grace do? Goes over here by class president, just what Grace does, okay? What does the president do, okay? In the middle, what do they do that are the same, all right? If you don't have enough room on this paper, go ahead and do it on another piece of paper, put on sticky notes and put it on there, whatever works for you. You're not confined to this paper, friends. You can use a bigger piece of paper if you need to, okay? And from this activity, go ahead and pause this video and work on that compare and contrast, and unpause when you are ready to move on, actually. Okay, so day 3. Day 3, you're going to finish this organizer if you have not finished it yet, okay? Or if you want to add a few more things to it. And from that, you are going to be doing some writing. So think about this. Would you rather be a class president like Grace or president of the United States? So which would you rather be? A president like Grace, a class president, or president of the United States? Now, form your opinion. Which would you rather be and why? Be sure to give rich details to explain why you would rather be either like Grace, a class president, or like the president of the United States, okay? You are provided some lined paper in your packet, and that's where you're going to write your opinion paragraph, okay? So make sure when you are writing your opinion, you start with stating, hey, I would rather be blah, 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 because, and then give specific reasons and refer back to the text. If you'd rather be like Grace, give some examples of what Grace did as class president and maybe what you would like to do also. If you choose to be like president of the United States, say why and give some examples and details from the text, okay? I expect your opinion paragraph to be 3, 4, at least 4 sentences long. It might be 5 to 6 by the time you get your explanations in, okay? So that is day 2 and day 3, friends, okay, of reading packet. If you have any questions, please reach out and ask your teachers. And again, don't forget to send us your work so we can see the awesomeness that you are doing. Have a great day, everybody.